Your phone is ready to play music, but without a Spotify account, you're missing millions of songs, podcasts, and playlists. Many people think signing up is hard or skip it entirely, but it actually takes less than a minute to create an account and it opens up a whole new world of sound. Let's get your Spotify account set up now. So open up the Spotify app. Next, tap on Sign Up Free. Here you will get two options to sign up. Continue with email and continue with Google. If you go with continue with email, then you need to enter your email manually. But if you go with the second one, such as continue with Google, then your signed Google Gmail will integrate with this account. Like I'm going to create an account with my Google account. Tap on continue with Google. Now select your Gmail account from here. Then set your birthday date. After that, tap next. Now select your gender. Then set your name. This name will appear as your Spotify name. Then checkmark the policies below and then tap create account. Now if you want to get notifications from Spotify, then turn on notifications. Otherwise, you can skip it by tapping not now. Then choose your favorite artists from here. You need to choose at least 3 artists. After choosing the artists, tap done and then tap start learning. And here your Spotify account is ready. Now stream your favorite songs and enjoy your day. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Spotify account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.